Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Bean and today we are gonna dive into a hot question. Can AI replace doctors? With AI advancing faster than ever, it sparks debates everywhere. So let's break it down with evidence-based facts and explore what AI can and can't do. And imagine how it's shaping the future of healthcare. Let's start with what AI is already doing in healthcare because it's incredible. AI is like a super smart assistant. For example, a 2020 study in Nature found that AI detected breast cancer in mammograms with 94% accuracy compared to 88% for human radiologists. That's a game changer for early diagnosis. AI is also crunching massive datasets to predict diseases. For instance, Google's DeepMind developed an AI that can predict acute kidney injury up to 48 hours before it happens, giving doctors a head start to save lives. These tools are empowering patients and doctors alike, but does this mean AI is ready to take over my stethoscope? Not so fast. Here's where the human touch comes in. Medicine isn't just about data, it's about people. When I sit with a patient, listen to their fears, or explain tough diagnoses, that's something AI can't replicate. A 2023 review emphasized that patients value empathy and trust in their doctors, highlighting the importance of compassionate care in building therapeutic relationships. AI also struggles with complex cases. For example, rare diseases or conditions with vague symptoms often require a doctor's intuition, built from years of experience. AI might suggest 20 possible diagnoses, but a doctor narrows it down by asking the right questions and connecting the dots. Plus, AI can make mistakes if the data it's trained on is biased or incomplete. So, here's the exciting part. The future isn't about AI replacing doctors, it's about AI helping doctors. Imagine this, I am diagnosing a patient, and AI instantly pulls up the latest research and flags potential issues in their scan. A recent study in Nature showed that physicians using AI assistants improved clinical decision accuracy from 74 to 65% in chest pain triage scenarios without introducing bias. So, can AI replace doctors? The evidence says no, not now, and maybe not ever. But it is transforming medicine, making it faster, smarter, and more precise. The heart of healthcare will always be human connection, with AI as our trusty sidekick. What do you think? Would you trust AI to help your doctor? Drop your thoughts in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more health insights.